Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Em, and today I am going to be showing you guys my full healthy grocery shop of what I buy, what I eat on a daily basis, and we're also going to be showing you easy tacos at the end of the video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video with me. Without further ado, let's get into it. The lighting in here is not doing me a favor. We're gonna head to the grocery store, nothing fancy, just wearing a sweater, some Gymshark leggings. Gonna grab a mask and we're gonna go. We're in my mom's car today because it's in the front. It's 6 o'clock now. We're gonna do our groceries. We're gonna go home and cook. I'm probably not going to film a lot in the grocery store because I don't want to intimidate people. We spent $26.65. Super irrelevant to this whole video, but I've been craving donuts, so I'm gonna give myself a donut or two, depending if they even have it. Like, I'm coming at the end. Focus on me. It's not focusing. Whatever. I'm still gonna include this footage. But anyways. Hi, do you guys have any donuts right now?
Honey dip?
You only have honey dip?
No, we have all of them right now.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, it focuses now. Got my tap ready. Thank you. You too. I mean, I guess it's still a grocery haul, but Tim Hortons donut. We have Krispy Kreme in Canada as well, but there's only one location open, and your girl is not gonna wait in that lineup because Lord knows everyone has nothing to do in quarantine, so they're gonna be in that line. Looking a little bald over here, but I promise I got a little ponytail in the back. But I'll see you guys when I am home and we are gonna do a full grocery haul. Alright, so we're gonna voice over this thing because my family wanted to annoy me in the kitchen. I organized everything from meats to vegetables and everything. So first I got some cremini mushrooms, one of my favorite mushrooms, some spinach, and some iceberg lettuce for the tacos I am going to make. The spinach and mushrooms are for another recipe. Moving on to meat, I got some frozen Jamaican patties. I love these so much. I used to eat them all the time in school. Next, we have our lean ground beef for the tacos. I really dislike beef and red meat in general, but I had no option but to get this one today. So moving on to dairy, we have our marble cheddar cheese, my favorite. 2 options of Greek yogurt, 1 vanilla, 1 plain. And then we have our Alfredo sauce for some pasta I'm gonna make tomorrow. And some pesto, which is not dairy, but I put it there for some reason. We also have our Silk Soy Dark Chocolate Milk, my very favorite. And then we have our taco seasoning for today and some Spanish rice that I will be adding into the recipe. Also, I got an X-Acto knife. Random, but I need it. And then we have some tortillas and eggs that I bought the other day. So we are using our ground beef, our lettuce, and our taco seasoning. We're gonna cook all this today. We are gonna get our ground beef out of the packet, some extra virgin olive oil into the pan. So I'm gonna take about half of the ground beef. Beef does have a lot of protein, which is good. Just don't like eating it often. I'm just gonna cook this on medium to high heat, and then when we're done, we're gonna add in our taco seasoning. I love my stuff spicy, so we got the hot and spicy one. So I added in my seasoning, and I love spice, so we're gonna add in some cayenne pepper. We're using, I guess the peeler that I use to peel vegetables, and we're gonna grate our cheese like this because I can't find my grater. And we will make it work because at the end of the day, it's not gonna matter. We're eating it. I'm all ready to dish out, and yes, this is all for me. So we're gonna start with our first one. The order. Does not matter if you guys are following my recipe. You guys do whatever you want. I'm gonna put how the first one's looking. We're gonna put it on the pan to heat it up a little bit. My little tortilla shell. So this is how the second one's looking. This time I added some Spanish rice on top. So there's quinoa, roasted red pepper, and corn in here. So this one's a little bit thicker, and the last one I'm gonna show you. And this is our final variation in a bowl. So this all took less than half an hour to make. Super simple and not a lot of cleanup necessary. So the taco is about 650 calories. The bowl is the highest amount of calories, so it is about 1200. And the only one that I ended up eating was the burrito, and I measured that up to 836 calories. So I'm gonna eat 2 of these, and one of them are gonna be for my sister. Taste test. So we're gonna close out the video here with us eating very messy, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I tend to buy whenever I go grocery shopping, and I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 yummy variations of tacos. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you on my next video.